In this video, I'll show you how to solve if you have the black screen problem on your Amazon Fire Kids tablet. If the screen is completely dark, no matter which button you're pressing, no matter how hard you press on the screen, let me show you a few different solutions that will fix this problem. So let's start with the first one. This problem can arise if the charger is bad. And sometimes it happens, it's very rare, but hey, it's worth trying. I suggest you try charging your tablet using another charger with another cable in another wall outlet. This is just to rule completely out that the charger is bad. Most phones these days are using the USB Type-C cable here, so just take the charger of your phone, or maybe your neighbor or your friend has one. Go ahead, connect it to a wall outlet, wait at least 20 minutes and see if the tablet starts charging. Maybe this was the issue. If you're still having a problem, what I suggest is that you keep press the power button, this one over here, during 10 seconds. Okay, let's do it together. Let's say the screen was black. Press it 10 seconds no matter what. Usually this will be a forced shutdown of the tablet, which means, as you see here, the screen is dark. So after 10 seconds, release your finger. The tablet is now turned off. Now press it back again until you see the Amazon logo appearing in the middle of the screen. I'm pressing. Okay, the Amazon logo is there. I release, and hopefully the tablet will boot up normally and you'll be able to use it and you'll see something appearing on the screen. Now, what if these two different solutions still didn't work for you? Well, it could happen because there's actually some physical damage to your Fire Kids tablet. As you see here, my screen is cracked, but this should not be an issue. So what I suggest is you take out the tablet from the Amazon Kids case. Okay, let me pull it out. Like that. Great. Okay, and what you'll need to do, imagine the screen is dark, is you'll need to give some taps on the back of the device, because some internal connection may have been disconnected if the tablet got dropped. Okay, so what you need to do is to put the tablet facing down on the palm of your hand, and with your other hand, go ahead and tap it all around and in the middle, okay? Make sure you don't wear any rings so the screen does not get scratched. Okay, so after doing this, I also suggest you press everywhere on the screen with your thumbs, just to make sure that everything is connected inside, because we don't want to open it. So press everywhere, a bit hard, don't worry, not so hard to crack the screen, but just enough to reconnect any loose connectors. And after doing this, press the start button here, the power button, until you see the Amazon logo appearing on the screen, and hopefully this will solve your issue. Now, another problem that can arise is that the tablet is not charging, and this is why you get a black screen, because there's some lint and debris, or maybe crumbles because your kid was eating something, that gets inside of the charging port. So I always suggest you take a toothpick and try to remove any lint, any debris that gets stuck there. Because if there is some and you're trying to connect your charger here, it won't connect properly. The connection won't happen. Although you think it does, the debris will forbid this to go all the way in and charge your tablet. So make sure that this port is clean. So if this didn't work, what you need to do next is we'll need to power off your tablet. So we'll do the same thing we did before. So we're gonna press the power button during 10 seconds. And then I'll show you what to do next. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I release the power button, and then I'll press power button and volume down. I'll hold both of these buttons. Maybe your power button and volume buttons are placed differently, but you need to hold both of these at the same time until you see something appearing on the screen. So I'm holding both of these buttons. Okay, I see the Amazon logo. I can release these buttons and then you'll get this special secret menu over here. Now, all you have to do is to click on Reboot System Now, and you need to make sure this is highlighted. If it's not highlighted, use the volume up and down button to shuffle through this menu. Okay, so go ahead, make sure Reboot System Now is selected and then press the power button once. It will reboot the device and hopefully now you'll be able to use it without any black screen. So thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like. If you have any other solutions, please leave them in the comments down below. Or if one of these worked, I'm always curious to know. And I'll see you in the next one.